Look at this fucking cave, bro.
Somewhere in here. It might even be on the second floor to get out.
Cave rave.
Let's go. It'd be very hard to get out of here.
Look at that ass.
It'd be very hard to get out of here.
It's hard to get in. How the fuck do people read these tags like that?
Huh?
How the fuck do people read tags? I can never read anything they do.
Take a picture of here.
That's shit.
The video. We up here. In the cave, bitch. Woo!
Cave rave.
It's a cave party. Twerk.
Your ass is all dirty.
Ew.
You broke it.
I did. They're gonna be so mad at me, the cave people.
What's wrong with you?
Because you fucked me in the cave.
Now how the fuck do we get down?